What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to do a quick review on not only the Jobi windshield mount, but also just kind of alongside with the DJI Osmo Pocket. I love this thing. I mean, if you're doing any kind of documentaries in the car, if you're doing anything to recording in the car, whether it be just drive scenes or you're trying to talk and obviously you want to be hands-free, this is an amazing product. There's obviously other ones out there, but I love the Jobi just because the ability to rotate this suction cup just seems so much better. But see the little snap? And you can actually see what it does here. You'll see it go flat, and then you'll see it dimple in like that. It's obviously not new technology. They've had these since the old school Garmin's, but this one seems to really stick. But most importantly, the Osmo Pocket's so light that I don't think it'll ever fall down. So I think that's really awesome. But here's what's great. So I've got the Polar Pro case on here. I forgot what they call this thing already. It's I've got a review out there, so if you guys are gonna watch the actual review of it, it's just a sleeve that all this is on the outside. Also that the rest is the Osmo Pocket. But like I said, I got another video if you guys actually want to go see that. Go check it out. So anyway, you can obviously see it just there it is right there. So you just see the case, it just slides right into it, and then it's gonna go ahead and clamp down. So anyway, what I love about this is it's got the ports here and here to screw in. So not only you could come down here and just pop it in real quick if you wanted, but you can also kick it over on the side if you just want a better viewing angle, or it just gives you options to get that right angle that you want. So obviously you can see we've got it here. You can bend this thing, and obviously the Jobis are super solid. That's not gonna go anywhere. I didn't think I liked them at first, but man, they just stick there. I love it. So anyway, great, awesome. We'll unscrew this and show you the other option. And like I said, the Polar Pro case runs about $24.99. So it's definitely, it's worth it. You look at it and you don't think that there's much to it, and it really isn't. But man, it just makes you so versatile when you're making these videos. If you want, and look at that, I love this perfect angle, because what I do is I just obviously I would get the right angle, but I plug this right in the corner of the car, and then I turn this around and have the camera looking at me, and it's out of sight. It blocks no much of your view than a state tag or an inspection tag, anything like that. So I just love it. It's awesome. And it takes great videos, obviously, for the Osmo Pocket, and then obviously the camera can look at you just like so, because you've got the screen, and that's what's awesome, is that you can actually see what you're doing. So obviously we'll be let you guys see what's going on. So we've got the screen here. It's a little bright, but it's actually just showing you the countertop, or I can sit here and just flip it around and let you guys see me and how awful this is. Anyway, hope you guys like that. If you guys like the video, definitely hit that thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below if you guys got any questions. But as always, I do a video a day, trying to really just get some content out there for 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and seeing if we can make this kind of a little success channel. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, like I said, hit comment down below. Hit that subscribe button, help us get there. We're at 100 subscribers already, so thank you everybody out there already for watching and patronizing me and hitting that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. See ya.